Ravens are great at mimicking human speech and sounds. Ostriches have the largest eyes of any land animal. Cardinals like to cover themselves in ants. Owls devour their prey whole. Some ducks sleep with one eye open. Kiwis are sometimes called honorary mammals. Most hummingbirds weigh less than a nickel. In ancient Greece, pigeons delivered the results of the Olympic Games.
Check the description for more information and exciting offers. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe to our channel.
Parrots can learn to say hundreds of words. Swiftlet nests are a delicacy. Boscian thrushes find food by farting. Woodpeckers hoard acorns. The unique black and white coloring of penguins works as camouflage. Watson chicks are born with claws on their wings. Budgies catch each other's yawns. Partridges eat only plants. The secretary bird is distinguished by its long legs and a dramatic black crest of feathers on the back of its head.
Check the description for more information and exciting offers. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe to our channel. If you have any suggestions, then kindly leave a comment in comment section. Thanks for watching. Visit us again.